Come on, be honest. Jeopardize our love as if I ain't had it, babe. Girl, you can be humble, can be sick, can be modest.
All right, y'all, it is now that time of the day. D is gonna go ahead and give us a ride in his newly acquired Type R. This is freaking sick. I ain't gonna lie, brand new. How does it feel to be a Honda boy?
I don't know. I don't know what I should do next, but change the exhaust to make it sound like a Pepsi can. Or do I fucking... Oh, we need to get the trays.
Oh, the trays, and we're gonna spin this shit. Bro, we could get trays and spin this shit. We need to do that, bro. Bro, the seats are so fire. I'm not gonna lie. Red on the seat belts. So why you in the back? Stay back there.
Stiffens up the steering and the suspension.
Okay.
You got sport mode, default, and then you got comfort mode, which just loosens up the steering and makes it a little bit softer.
Okay.
Let's keep that with your R mode.
Yeah, R. Race car. This thing's pretty cool.
I'm about to change my IG handle to hard R, bro.
Oh. Ooh. This thing's pretty quick.
Oh.
It's your second time driving this car. Oh, yeah. This thing is quick. Oh, that bike got scared. At least he was looking. Yeah, I know. Oh, what the? Hey, at least we know the brakes work good.
It's just so smooth. Like,
yeah, it's smooth.
And just good linear power.
Yeah. It's not like nothing too crazy, but it's good. It feels nice. Ooh. Well, you got like the perfect roads to like just drive shit. This thing's pretty nimble.
It is, bro.
In the canyons, this might excel.
Me and John did some canyons. As soon as I bought it, we did some canyons. Huh? Oh no, John.
Oh yeah. What the heck? This thing is planted.
There's auto rev matching too.
Oh, auto rev matches?
Yeah.
That's good. Ooh. Whoa, what the heck? Oh. Hey, this thing is fun. Hey, yo, this thing is fun. What the? Hey, I wasn't expecting all of this out of this car. I was expecting it to be good.
That's the auto rev matching.
Yeah, so it's kind of like just my paddle shift, downshift.
Basically.
Yeah.
Bro, just gotta hold fucking courses.
I know. Hey, that's hard. Why don't we race right here?
Yeah, this is a long ass straightaway too.
Yeah. Type R now. I got Langford in the driver's seat. This thing feels nice, like the seat,
Yeah, it's
like
comfortable.
hits you. This thing is nice. First, ooh,
It's smooth, bro.
this shit is smooth.
Can I try?
Good, try it.
Let me try.
What gear is that, bro? What gear is that?
First. Second. Third gear.
Bro, this car feels nice. Like,
I wish
it just,
this. Why do we like this? How wasn't this at the auction?
man. Bro, this shit is fun. Bro, this shit is fucking fun. Bro, I didn't fuck up on the shifts too bad for my first time driving it. But this shit is fucking fun, bro.
It's easy.
It's so easy. You better hurry up. Come on. I'm not playing with you. Slide that Beamer, man. I'm not playing. You're lucky. It's so much faster in the passenger seat, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. We gotta hit that again. You know, off-road the beam? Perfect shifts. Come on now. Come on. Just forget about that one. You had your one. Oh yeah. Bro, I slid that shit. Almost done. Bro, this car is so fucking fun.
Yeah.
Oh my god, I feel like a race car driver. Oh my god. It's so easy, bro. It's so fucking easy.
If it had a little bit more power,
Yeah.
it would be unstoppable.
Yeah, if it had a little bit more power.
Just like E85. If it had it's a simple E85, 100 more horsepower. But then I feel like you couldn't do full throttle into the corners like you can now.
Oh no, fuck no. You need like a super good suspension setup.
Yep. Tires,
And
like
tires, yeah. Hey, this car gets a 10 out of 10 for me.
Yeah, for me
no
too,
cap.
yeah.
This is a fire ass fucking car.
Yeah.
Alright, this is a fucking brake neutral.
What was that fucking sound in the back?
That was just the wind going through your nose and out your ear. I'm on, boy, you got it, no pressure.
ticket.
Here you go.
Oh shit!
Got it? Hell yeah. Okay, good shit. Good shit.
You might want two-handed. That's 5th gear, bro.
Bro, put it in fifth.
Bro, what are you doing?
Bro, Listen to the car. It's like taking a deep breath. You got it? Okay.
There you go.
Good shit.
I got a stick, bro, got a blip, we catching hella poles. I love some melon in the dark, bitch, on yellow bone. It get nasty when I'm fucking, you can tell cause she get sweaty though. He say he getting money, I'm like, hey, who you telling, bro?
Dogs gets me running to a bag, I'm in the corner like a Reza. Stella got me teed up.